Offer accepted. We're under contract. Once we're under contract, your first step is to send your earnest money. Someone from the title company will reach out to coordinate how to deposit those funds. I have a video linked in the description that explains more about earnest money, but here's one of my favorite escrow officers to explain.
Hi, Lelania Pirro here with Chicago Title, and today I want to tell you about earnest deposit. When your purchase contract is accepted, the very first thing you'll do as a buyer is coordinate the earnest deposit to title. We can collect the earnest deposit a couple of different ways. One way is to prepare a personal check. You can give this check to your realtor. You could give us a call, let us know that you'd like to drop it off. You'd like us to pick it up. We can send a courier to your home office, whatever you prefer. Another method is wire transfer, and we are very serious about wire security and information shared. So we will always and only provide wiring instructions to you in a secure and encrypted envelope. To do that, we'll need your email address and your phone number so that we can have a verified method of communication to share with you this information. In addition, you could prepare a cashier's check if you don't have a checkbook, or a money order. But if you're getting into a money order, you want to be sure that you talk with your lender and that money is properly sourced and evidenced. 4 ways to get money into title, and if you need any help, just give us a call at Chicago Title. Thanks.